I've shown you several recipes of rice in the past. I've shown you how to make a biryani, I've shown you how to make a pulao, I've shown you how to make a tehri. Well, today's rice preparation is very unique. It's called Kuska Biryani or Kuska Rice. Let's begin. Kuska Rice. Now what does this rice mean? It's basically like a biryani without any core ingredient. Now here, it could be paneer, it could be mushroom, it could be mixed vegetables, it could be anything. But in this case, it does not have any of those ingredients. It's basically flavored rice. And on several menus, you spot this as biryani rice. Let's head to the kitchen. To begin with the Kuska rice, the first thing that goes is some ghee. Once that heats up, I'll be adding in sliced onions. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown in color, I'm going to remove some and keep it aside. Let's add in some whole garam masala. Here we have some whole bay leaves, some green cardamom, stick of cinnamon, cumin seeds, cloves and fennel. Let's mix this well and immediately add in the rest of the ingredients, beginning with paste of ginger and garlic, and along with this, sliced tomatoes. Stir this well and add in the curd. Time to add in the powdered garam masala. Along with this, salt. And remember to do all this on high flame only. Once the tomatoes become slightly soft, let's take the rice which has been soaking for 20 minutes and drain the water out. Let's add the rice straight into the cooking mixture. And along with this, I'm also going to add in few more flavorings. Beginning with coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, and finally water. Let's stir all this well. And time to put the lid on and pressure cook this. While I'm making this in a pressure cooker, you can start making this right from scratch in a vessel, and exactly like how we put it on dum, you can do that. Just remember, because I'm pressure cooking this, I'm using equal quantities of water and rice. In case you're using a vessel, then you need to double the quantity of water. So for 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. Cook it on medium to low flame for at least 15 minutes covered, and that's where you have the most amazing kuska chawal ready. And give this a very gentle stir. With this, our kuska is done and ready. Let's plate this. Finally, let's top this up with the brown onions that were kept aside. What I've done is just added some coriander leaves to the brown onion, and that's about it. With this, a kuska biryani or kuska rice is done and ready. Enjoy this with your family and pair this up with a nice raita. You can make a little bit of a salan, you can make a nice little curry or buttermilk. Trust me, it will work its magic. On that note, do not forget to like, share and stay tuned for more such quick, simple and easy recipes to Rajshri.